Okay, you guys ready for an unboxing? This one right here is special. I didn't even anticipate getting this piece. This was a out of the blue timepiece, but now it's here. I love racing. I love cars, like fast cars. I also like history. And the watch I'm about to unbox is inspired by Now, I've never had the opportunity of ever sitting in one of these small Lamborghinis, this supercar, if you will. But I do have a watch that is inspired by it, and that's going to have to be good enough, man. So, without further ado, man, let's get into the unboxing. Now, as you can see, I was patiently waiting. I didn't even know I was getting another package today, but that's all good. But you see that DHL truck sitting back there. He was on his way with my box, and here's my box. Now, let's get into it, man. Already saw that somebody posted it on Watch Crunch already. Okay. Innovative watchmaking that dares. www.zeloswatches.com. All right. If you've never experienced a Zelos before, their packaging is phenomenal because you get this beautiful case. Oh, man. Oh, by the way, the black tip Zelos. Yeah, you already know. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let's peel that plastic off of there. Oh. I thought they was coming from my watch, man. I'm like, hey, man, come on. The Zelos G1. And I opted for the forged carbon case with the leather stitching. And you see this thing right here. And if you see over there at the 9 o'clock, you see the fuel gauge. This watch is nearly empty, man, like my truck right now. Man, look at, man. This thing is gorgeous. Oh, wait a minute, I got Zelos in it. Okay, got the packaging and it's ease of use. These just slide up out of there like so. And you could put a couple more watches. So now I own two. And do not eat that. I have two Zelos. So now I just have to fill this thing up. I have this one. We're going to talk about this thing. I'm going to give you my overall opinion of this watch in the upcoming video after I've worn it for a little bit. And yeah. So far, I am impressed. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching, man. I appreciate you guys so much, man. And I will catch you in the next video. And until the next lightning strike, y'all be blessed.